Hello friends, I am at RT Krishna Hero, which is on near to Electronic City. So which is where I booked my Xpulse 4V. So yes, I was supposed to get the delivery yesterday, but apparently the entire fleet of bikes got delayed, and they just landed here today morning, which is when I got a call from my salesperson here, who's standing there right there on the top, Mr. Suresh, that sir, bikes have come, please come and select your bike. So I have an option to select a particular bike. Of course, I plan to go with the white and blue color, which is called the Trail Blue. So yes, apart from these bikes, what you see here, there are 10 more bikes inside. So I'm going to get in and pick it. Before that, let's see the demo bike, right? So I'm being told that this is a demo bike, and I can take a test ride. So what's new in the Xpulse 4V, right? So to start with, right from the looks, right? Okay, so I see that I've been told that the suspension, tires, the entire cycle parts are pretty much the same, but there are some subtle differences, right? So I see that I've been told that the headlamp is about 20% brighter. That is to be tested in real time, right? I see that this is a bit longer. The older one is sort of this much. I feel this is a bit longer, and yes, the oil cooler has become bigger, right? So this is going to give a better cooling, right? Compared to the 2V, the 4V has a better oil cooler, and of course the 4-valve head, which is the star attraction, and the 4V branding, as you can see here, that's new. And my friends, have been told that entire gearing is being tuned up. It's a different setup, and hence the sprocket has gotten bigger here, right? So as you can see, it's a bigger sprocket compared to the 2V. And yes, the seat feels a bit better compared to the 2V, bit more stiffer, so which is going to aid better comfort in long rides. And yes, my friends, so those are the few differences which I can see on an immediate basis, right? So that's about the differences on the bike from a looks point of view. Yes, small differences. Another is the switch gear. The switch gear is a little bit different here, and the start button integrated into the kill switch compared to the 2V. 2V is slightly different here. So that's the difference, right? That's the difference. And there's another person who's probably booked and taking a look at the bike, and precisely this is the color what I've chosen, which is called Trail Blue, and it's white with blue stickering and the paint job. So looks quite attractive and nice. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and take a test ride of this bike, and my delivery is anyway tomorrow, so I'm going to post my video on the delivery part tomorrow. So that's the update. So super excited that the bikes have come, and finally getting my Xpulse back, right? So yeah, so the story is it's not one bike. We are going to take delivery of 2 bikes. So I and my brother both have booked the Xpulse 4V. Both of us are going to take the delivery of the bike tomorrow, and yes, I'm going to record the delivery experience and share it with each one of you. So let's power on the bike and hear it. How does it sound, right? So all of you would be very eager to know how the bike sounds, right? Okay, bike doesn't come with a center stand, my friends. So center stand need to be taken up as an accessory. So let me hold on. Yeah, the speedometer console, the everything remains exactly the same. There's no change whatsoever. I think it's in the gear. Okay, we're in the neutral. The bike is powered on. Engine sounds a bit more grunty, typical of a 4-valve head versus the 2-valve head, right? So let's rev it up a bit and see. Exhaust note. Exhaust note is a bit more grunty. Yeah, let me take a quick spin and we'll get talking more about this bike. Alright, so I've taken the short test ride. I'm going to talk about my impressions while my brother Vinod goes ahead with his test ride, and we're going to ask him what he feels about it once he's back. So while we talk about my experience with the test ride, so the immediate difference what I found compared to the 2V, between the 2V and 4V, is the refinement levels have gone a notch higher compared to the 2-valve BS6 bike, right? Which itself was quite refined. So the refinement is up, and the sprocketing, the gearing has totally been reworked. The gear ratios are totally different. The gearbox is slick, and even on the brand new bike it's shifting like a dream, right? And due to the huge rear sprocket, the initial pickup is much better and the pull is way better. But only thing what I felt is the rear suspension is probably set up a little soft, which of course is adjustable and can be adjusted for stiffness. So that is there. So I'm going to ask my brother Vinod about his initial ride impressions. So over to Mr. Vinod. So this is my brother Vinod, and he's a finance guy, and he's one of the partners in Gear and Throttle, which is a automotive accessories and automotive safety gear store based out of Pune. So he's also booked the Xpulse along with me, and he's going to share his impressions of the initial ride. So how did you find it?
One of the initial feelings with the fit and finish felt much better than the earlier versions. So I have ridden one of the first version, which was a carburetor version, and then the FI, and then the later on models, also the BS6 versions also. So the initial feeling is definitely the fit and finish is far better, and the acceleration, the initial acceleration seemed really different and much better than the previous version. So lower end, it offers definitely a more lower end torque was the initial feeling. So I've just gone a very quick ride. So initial thoughts are it's a very good bike. So people who would want to consider probably a city ride, also a short ride that they would want to do, so they should consider this bike.
Okay, so all excited for tomorrow's delivery. So yes, my friends, so we're all geared up for delivery tomorrow, and I'm going to vlog the entire delivery experience. and share it with all of you. So thanks for watching this, and do let me know your thoughts in the comments. And also, before I leave, please note, our bikes are going to be the first delivery in Bangalore tomorrow. Please stay tuned. Thank you. Alright, so I'm in the Hero Motors stockyard. So we have been presented with vehicles here inside the stockyard to go ahead and select. So yes, I have selected this bike, and I have put in my name tag. And my brother selected this one, and he's put in his name tag. So we have taken the pictures of the engine number, chassis number, and going to give it to the executive for further processing. This is the Hero showroom for RT Krishna at Electronic City. So various vehicles in display, mostly 100cc, 150cc, and the extreme range. The Stealth Black, I believe. And this is the 2V with a rally kit, right? You see the rally front suspension and the rally seat, all rally stuff, handlebar risers, etc. So damn tall. Yeah, now that we have selected the bike, we'll be going ahead and getting the processing work done, payment and other stuff, the file stuff. So we'll get all that done, and we'll be going further with that. So my friends, I'm done with the payment and the paperwork here. So the bike would be going in for PDI today, and a special function is planned tomorrow evening at about 6 p.m. to deliver about close to 8 to 10 bikes. So that's the plan. So it's going to be a grand function, is what the general manager of this showroom says. So looking forward to that, and looking forward to tomorrow, and importantly looking forward and super excited about the delivery of the bike. So please stay tuned.